made the most amazing barbecue ribs the other day, and you won't believe this. They're actually low carb. Seriously, I still can't believe how tender and flavorful they turned out. Let me show you exactly how I made them, and you'll want to make these as well. First, I start off by preheating my barbecue or smoker to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I will prepare the ribs. Now let's talk ribs. Start by peeling off that thin membrane on the back of the rack. It makes a huge difference in texture. I found it easier to get off by making a slit under the membrane so I can get my finger in there, sliding my finger underneath through it, and then you can just pull up on the membrane and it comes right off. Once the membrane is off, it is time to season. I used a keto-friendly spice rub, and don't be shy, get it all over those ribs, front, back, sides. You want to rub it in good. If you need a recipe, there is another one on my page that you can get. It's keto-friendly and it tastes really good on these ribs. Once your smoker is preheated, place the ribs inside the smoker and let them smoke low and slow for about 3 to 4 hours or until the internal temperature hits somewhere between 160 and 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you'll want to crank your smoker up to 350 degrees, and while that's heating up, you'll want to finish getting the ribs ready with the barbecue sauce. You'll want to brush a generous layer of keto barbecue sauce all over those ribs. Seriously, don't hold back. And there's a keto barbecue sauce recipe on my page as well if you need one. And we'll lather this side. Then you'll want to place the meat side down on a thick aluminum foil and wrap them good and tight. Put the ribs back on the smoker for another 45 minutes or so, or until that internal temperature reaches 204 degrees Fahrenheit. That's when the magic happens. Once they're done, take them off the smoker and let them rest for about 20 minutes. This helps all those juicy flavors to settle in. Then slice them up and just look at that. So tender, so juicy, and yes, still low carb. These ribs were honestly some of the best I've ever made, and the fact that they're keto just makes them even better. If you give these a try, let me know in the comments how they turned out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more low carb goodness. See you next time.